Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Shivcharan and today we're going to talk about nanotechnology and medicine and the interrelation and correlation. Coming to the topic, Introduction to Nanotechnology. Definition of nanotechnology, manipulation of matter on an atomic or molecular scale. This is generally or typically below 100 nanometers or equal to 100 nanometers. This nanotechnology development was started from around the 2000s and is now used in mainstream services and in many different industries. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries and improve their performance by a lot. And you can use it in different scales at different levels at a molecular or an atomic level, or you can use it at different levels and at different functions, and you can apply different functions to it to do many complicated tasks. Coming to the next topic, importance of nanotechnology in medicine. Nanotechnology allows for precision medicine, which means you can do precise things which you can give it the command to do, which helps us allow the burden and also makes precision medicine easy and make the drugs reach the correct area fast. Applications range from drug delivery systems to diagnostic tools. It has the potential to revolutionize disease treatment, including cancer, infections, and neurological diseases. These infections and cancers and neurological areas are difficult to operate upon by hands or any instruments. So nanotechnology, by using nanotechnology, we can operate on them and treat them, which are not generally being done. And the technology is still in development, so it may take a time. But yeah, we can do this, and this may start in the future. These treatments may start in the future. Nanomedicine, what is it? Nanomedicine, use of nanoscale materials and devices to diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. This includes nanoparticles, nanodevices, and nanosensors. These nanosensors are used to sense what's happening inside the body, and the nanodevices are used to operate on the or body part or organ. And nanoparticles are the ones carrying these devices and sensors. Example: use of nanoparticles to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells. The cells to which cancer is affected on can directly deliver the drugs there to treat the cancer from the cell. Next topic, import nanoparticles in drug delivery. Uh, Liposomes, enzymes, gold nanoparticles, etc., can be engineered to carry drugs to the affected areas. As we talked about earlier, you can also use these nanoparticles to help them carry any antibiotics to the infections or any type of disease treating medicines to the disease causing germs and cells. Benefits of these nanoparticles are increasing drug solubility, controlled release, and reduced side effects. Example: targeted drug delivery for cancer treatment, chemotherapy with reduced side effects. The side effects are reduced due to the correct amount of medicine being reached to the organ, and we can also monitor how much of the medicine is being attached to the cell, and you can also observe any side effects and then reduce the output of the medicine to the cell. Next topic, nanotechnology for targeted drug delivery. Targeting specific cells or tissues through function as a nanoparticles. By using this function, you can target specific cells which are affected by the given disease or infection, and you can operate on them specifically to treat them. Examples: targeting cancer cells with nanoparticles coated with ligands that recognize specific cancer cell markers. Advantage of traditional drug delivery methods are by using this we can give the right amount of medicine required to the cell, and you can also measure what's happening in the cell and the medicine is overloaded or not. Next topic, technology in cancer treatment. Use of nanotechnology for early detection, targeted therapy, and improving the effectiveness of radiation therapy. Example: nanoparticles that can deliver chemotherapy agents directly to the tumor sites, avoiding healthy tissue. Uh, Generally, in the general drug delivery system, that the tu- the chemotherapy agents affect the healthy tissue uh, by when going to the tumor sites, which may affect the healthy tissue and the tumor both. But by using nanoparticles, we can avoid the healthy tissue and directly go to the tumor, reducing the side effects and also giving the specific drug to the required part. It is being used in treating of infections, tumors, and cancers, as we talked about earlier, which are hard to be treated upon by using hands. Next topic, nanodiagnostics, early disease detection. Nanotechnology for diagnostic imaging. Example: MRI contrast agents. or biosensors. By using this, you can scan what is happening inside the body, and you can also find out where is the problem hiding. Nanosensors for detecting biomarkers in blood, saliva, or urine. You can use these sensors, as I said about earlier. You can find out what's wrong with the body in blood, saliva, or urine. Benefits: faster, yeah, more accurate, and non-invasive diagnostic method. This can't cause any harm to the body, and it's not proven yet, but yeah, most likely it doesn't cause any harm to the body, and it's also faster because you can also observe it from when it's inside the body, and it's more accurate too because you are directly observing it. Nanorobots in medicine. Concept of nanobots. Tiny robots that can perform medical tasks inside the human body. Potential applications. Surgery, targeted drug delivery, and cell repair. You can also repair the damaged cells, which are generally destroyed due to any infections, and also operate on it and do a surgery on them by these nanobots. Challenges: control, power supply, and biocompatibility. Because this technology is still in development, uh, it may be hard to control them, and there are few trained specialists which are specialized in doing this and have any sort of mastery in this technology, and the power supply to give them is also very hard. Nanomaterials in prosthetics and implants. Use of nanomaterials to enhance the performance of prosthetics. Example: stronger, lighter, and more biocompatible materials, which are which are not able to cause any side effects to the body. Example: nanostructure materials used for joint replacements or dental implants. Benefits: better integration with the human body and longer lasting materials. As you can see in the figures, nanowires, which are generally used in uh, stitching in the sensitive areas at a very small scale. Nanorods, which are used in dental implants, uh, and these films, coatings, etc., are used in uh, generally nanoscale operations. You can see in this figure that there is an anode which is attached to a tooth. Um, Coming to the next topic: nanotechnology in wound healing. Nanomaterials like silver nanoparticles used in wound dressings to promote faster healing. The silver nanoparticles in wound, you can use them in wound dressings so that the silver affects the wound to treat it faster. Antibacterial properties to reduce infection risk. Because this is an antibacterial, can also it is also doesn't cause any infection. Rolling chronic wound management. Example: diabetic ulcers. Nanotechnology in vaccine development. Use of nanoparticles in vaccine delivery systems to enhance immune response. You can check the how is the vaccine working on the body and check the immune response. And this also is very helpful in dealing with viruses like COVID, which we are unable to determine what is happening with the body. And by using this nanotechnology, you can also observe what's happening inside the body, and you can also develop any specific medicine for it. Example: mRNA vaccines like COVID-19 vaccines use lipid nanoparticles for delivery. Potential for personalized vaccines. Yes, as I said earlier, you can develop personalized vaccines according to your body type. If your body isn't unable to is or allergic to a vaccine, you can, by observing your bodily reactions, you can develop a personalized vaccine for yourself. Safety and ethical considerations. Address concerns about toxicity, environmental impact, and biocompatibility. Because this technology is just still in development, there are still concerns about toxicity, which may be caused from like the materials which are used in nanobots, and environmental impact. The waste produced from this may harm the environment, or biocompatibility. The nanobots which are able to be compatible with the body or not, or it may cause any problems, etc. Regulatory challenges in testing and approval of nanomedicine products. This medicine treatment cost may take a lot amount of time, and it's not completely uh, approved in the medical industry too, so it may not come into implementation for a long amount of time. Ethical implications: access to treatment, informed consent, privacy concerns with nanosensors. uh, these are prone to hacking. They are not completely developed, so it's better to be careful by using them. Challenges and limitations of nanomedicine. Technical challenges: manufacturing and scaling up nanotechnology based products. Due to very few engineers and very few scientists are being proficient in this technology, uh, The development of this is also very slow. To develop this technology, we need more nanotech engineers, and it may also take very much large amount of time to develop this and take may use it in the daily life. Safety concerns, potential unknown long-term effects on human health and environment. Because of it, not being able to come into implementation now, we can't determine what's going to happen when they come into implementation. Regulatory hurdles and lack of standardization. As I said earlier, it's not yet standardized, so we can't know what will happen when it comes to standardization. Next topic, current state of nanotechnology in medicine. Ongoing research, clinical trials, and real-world applications. Uh, as I said earlier, because it's a developing technology, it's the research is still ongoing. There are many clinical trials being done, and there are many real world applications also being done in the cancer development, in cancer treatment cells, and also many vaccines which are being created by. They are trying to create. They are making clinical trials on the vaccines, and there's many much more of the ongoing research being done. Examples of nanomedicine products are already on the market. Liposomal drug formulations like doxil. Key players in the field are universities, companies, and medical institutions. The universities are developing technologies, the companies are making the nanobars, and the medical institutions are using them to operate on or do surgeries. Future of nanotechnology in medicine. Predicted breakthroughs in nanomedicine, personalized nanomedicines, and nanobots for surgery. As we talked about earlier, we may get our personalized medicine according to a person's body type, and nanobots which may able to do surgery at a smaller nano scale. Expanding applications in gene therapy, tissue engineering, and regenerative medicine. Uh, if the technology is developed, then we can also do many things which we are unable to be done before, such as operating on DNA genes. We can do tissue engineering and also regenerative medicine. We can do it at a much smaller scale, so we can also apply on cells, can also change our structure. There are many things possible infinitely. The growing role of artificial intelligence in advancing nanomedicine is a much large role, and we can't know what will happen until it come into development. And the conclusion of this presentation is uh, nanotechnology is revolutionizing medicine as of now, and there is very much more being to done. And there is a lot more future potential. It's promising therapies, early detection, and very remote treatments, efficient treatments, and treatments can be done easily and it can be operated upon at the any time and at any place. Call to action: continuing research, ethical discussions, and regulatory frameworks for safe integration of nanomedicine. And the references I've taken to do this presentation are from Science Direct and National Library of Medicine. And some of the references are taken from different websites of the internet. Thank you. Thank you for listening to my presentation.